Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. So first of all guys, can we all turn and say a big hello to our friends on camera?
Hello!
Hello! And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap and close our eyes. And when you're ready guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. Okay, and next we'll do our stretch sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. So let's stretch up high, high to the sky. And then let's go down low to our toes. And then can we go back up high? And this time, let's go tippy toe high. And while we're there, have a wave. And then back down to our toes. Hands on hips. Let's have a wiggle. Stop. Another wiggle. Stop. Forwards, backwards. Forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, and stop. Round and round. Let's go round and round. And stop. Back the other way. And stop. To finish, we'll do 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent guys, have a seat. So what did we learn about in the previous math lesson? Can anybody remember? Multiplication. How do we spell multiplication? M-U-L-T-I P-L-I-C-A-T-I-O-N. Multiplication. And what multiplication do? How many digits? 3-digit numbers. So multiplication of 3-digit D-I-G-I-T numbers. By how many digits did we multiply? 1. 3-digit numbers by B-Y. 1, T. One digit. U-M-B-E-R-S. Multiplication of three-digit numbers by one-digit numbers. Okay, now who would like to demonstrate for us? Lakgao, hand went straight up. Okay. So last lesson we were not using regrouping, so we'll recap from the last lesson. So let's see, I will give you a three-digit number. Here. 324 times 2 equals. So we have our problem. Now I would like Lakgao to work it out using her own multiplication table. So can you write the table for me? Thank you. So first we need to write 324 times 2 equals. So what's step 1? What do we need to do for step 1? 4 times 2. 8. Excellent. Step 2.
2 times 2 equals 4.
Step 3.
2 times 2 equals 6.
Excellent. So remember about place value. Column 1, what does this column represent? Ones, tens, 100. So our answer, 324 times 2 equals.
648.
Is that right?
Yes.
Are you sure? I'm sure too. Excellent. High five. Round of applause for Lakgao. Let's do one more. Can I have one more volunteer? Net, come and join me. So who can give me some more low numbers?
2, 1.
2, 1. Okay, we'll have 2, 1, and then 3. 2, 1, 3 is 213. What sign do we need next? Times. Times. 3. We'll do times 3 equals. So what's our problem, guys? 213 times 3. Next, can you work it out for us? Can you draw your table here first? 2, 1, 3 times 3. Excellent. So step 1, 3 times 3 equals 9. Excellent. Step 2, 3 times 1, 3. Perfect, Net, well done. And then step 3,
3 times 2 equals
6. Excellent. So now we have our answer. 213 times 3 equals 639. Is that right? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm sure too. High five. High round of applause for Annette. Well done, everybody. Everybody remember, very good. Okay, guys, so we've been learning about multiplication of three-digit numbers by one-digit numbers. And we're going to continue looking at this. But now we're going to look at what we do if the number's too big and we have to carry over. Does anybody remember what we call this when we have to carry numbers over into the next column? Regrouping, well remembered. So now we're going to be using U-S-I-N-G, using regrouping. R-E-G-R-O-U-P-I-N-G. Multiplication of three-digit numbers by one-digit numbers, and this time using regrouping. Okay, so now we have a video for you to observe. So let's all turn our chairs to have a look at the TV screen, guys. So let's take a look at our video about multiplication with regrouping. Okay, guys, here we go.
Multiply. Let's find 18 times 3.
So first thing,
multiply the ones by 3.
3 times 8.
8 ones times 3 equals 24 ones. Regroup 24 ones
So we
into
write the
4
4,
ones and
carry the 2.
tens. Next, multiply the 10s by 3 and add the regroup 10s. 1 10 times 3
Plus
equals
2.
3 tens. Plus 2 tens equals 5 tens.
So our answer, 54.
18
Excellent.
times 3 equals 54.
And now you're using regrouping. Next one.
Let's find 45 times 6.
So step 1, 6 times 5.
Multiply the ones by 6. 5 ones times 6 equals 30 ones. Regroup 30 ones into 0 ones
0, carry over,
and 3 tens.
3.
Next, multiply the 10s by 6.
4 times 6,
Add the regrouped 10s. 4 tens times 6 equals 24 tens. Plus 3
4
tens
plus 3.
equals 27 tens.
So we write
Regroup 27 tens into 2 hundreds and 7 tens.
so 6 times 45,
45
270.
times 6 equals 270. Let's find 186 times 4.
So what do we do first here, guys?
Multiply the ones by 4.
6 times
6
4.
ones times 4 equals 24 ones.
So we write the 4,
Regroup
carry over the 2.
ones into 4 ones and 2 tens.
8 times
Multiply
4,
the tens by 4 and add the regrouped
32.
8
So
tens times
2 times 2,
equals 32 tens. 32 tens plus 2 tens equals 34 tens.
so we write the 4,
Regroup 34 tens into 4 tens
carry over,
and 3 hundreds.
1 times 4,
Finally, multiply the hundreds by 4 and add the regrouped hundreds. 100 times 4 equals 400s.
plus the 300.
300s equals 700s.
So what's our answer, guys?
186 times 4 equals 744.
Excellent. Now you're doing multiplication with regrouping.
Let's find 593 times 6.
3 times 6,
Multiply the ones by 6.
so 8.
3 ones
Regroup
times
the
6
1.
equals 18 ones. Regroup 18 ones into 8 ones and 1 10. Multiply the 10s by 6 and add the regrouped 10s. 9 10s times 6 equals 54 10s.
Plus the one we carry over.
10s plus 1 10 equals
So we write 5 and carry over.
Regroup 55 10s into 5 10s and 5 hundreds. Multiply the hundreds by 6 and add the regrouped hundreds. 5 hundreds times 6 equals 30 hundreds. 30 hundreds plus 5 hundreds equals 35 hundreds.
35.
Regroup 35 hundreds into 3 thousands and 5 hundreds. 593 times 6 equals
3,558. Excellent, guys. Any questions? No. Well done, well followed. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the video about multiplication of 3-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers using regrouping. So let's do another example together now. So can somebody give me some numbers? They can be a bit higher this time because we're going to use regrouping. 5, 5, 9, 7. Okay. 5, 9, 7 times 3. Okay, we'll go with 3. So here's our problem. What's our amount? 597 times by 3. Okay, step 1, our ones column. 3 times 7. 21. Okay, so what do I write in the ones column? Do I write 21 here?
No,
1. What do I do with the 2 10s? Carry over or regroup. So 3 times 7, 21. So we'll go 1 in the ones column and I will put our 2 10s here. Yes? Are we ready for step 2?
Yes.
Okay, so step 2, 3 times 9 equals 27. So I write 7 here.
No.
Why?
2 equals 29.
Ah, the 2 that we carry over. So 3 times 9,
Equals 29.
27 plus the 2.
Equals 29.
So I write 9 here and again carry over 2. So step 3. 3 times 5. 15 equals 17. So I can just write 7 here and then and a comma. So it's all worked out. We're done. 597 times 3 equals 1,791. Excellent, guys. That's how we do multiplication of 3-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers using regrouping. You see, when we have to move amounts into the next column, carry over is known as excellent. Well remembered, guys. And now it's time for our stretch sequence. So let's stand up and push in your chairs. And this time we'll begin by placing our hands on our head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes, eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Now let's do it one more time, but this time, shall we do it quickly? Okay. Are you ready? 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 Head, shoulders, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes, eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulders, knees and toes. And to finish, 3 star jumps. 1, 2, 3. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. Okay, and now it's time for our flashcards activity. So teachers, what you'll need to do is print off the flashcards and then cut the multiplication problems into individual items. And what you will do is place the problems all into a bowl or a box. And you will invite your students to come forward, choose a flashcard, and then work out the problem on the board, okay? But everybody can help. Everybody can get involved and help their friends. So, who would like to go first? Bang pon, come forward. Let's see. Okay, so let me mix them all up for you, and then there you go. Okay, so your first problem, what do you have? Okay, so can you write on the board 867 times 2? Okay, so there you go. What's our first step we need to do, guys? 2 times 7 equals 14. So 4, carry over 1. Step 2, 2 times 6 equals 3. 13, yes. Okay, so what's your answer?
134.
You can see 867 times by 2 equals 1,734. And this is how we work out 3-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers using regrouping. High five. Round of applause for Bang Pon. So who would like to go next? Let's see, who can go next? Lakaw. Okay, so can you show what's our problem? 232 times by 8. Okay, so there you go. Let me rub that one off for you. And let me hold that. So, step number 1, what do we need to do? 8 times 2 equals 16. So we write 6, and what do we do with the 10? Carry over. 8 times 3. 24 plus 1. And what do we do with the 2? Or regroup. So we carry over the 2.
8 times 2 equals 16 plus 2 equals 26.
2 times 8, 16, yes? Plus the 2, 18. And then you need, and your comma. So we can say 232 times 8 equals 1,856. High five, Lakgao. Round of applause. So teachers, you can see the activity that we're doing in our class now with the flashcards. What you can do is you can pause the video and play on further for around another 10 minutes with your students and choose a different student each time to play. And we'll play some more here. So who would like to go next? Okay, Netso, can you pick? Excellent. And let's see. Let's have a look. We have 634 times 2. There you go. And there's your marker. Let me hold for you. So 634 times 2. So step 1, 2 times 4.
2 times 4 equals 8.
8. So we write 8. Step 2, 2 times 3 equals 6. And then step 3, 2 times 6 equals 12. So we write 1 and then comma for 1,000 and then 2. Excellent, Ned. So you can see our answer. 634 times 2 equals 1,268. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you really sure?
Yeah.
High five. Round of applause for Ned. Excellent. Who's next? Prao. Okay, show them your flashcard. So what's our problem, guys?
74 times 3.
Okay, let me hold that for you.
874 times 3.
Okay, so step 1, what do we need to do?
4 times 3. 3 times 4
Equals
equals 12.
12. So 2, regroup or carry the 1. Next, 3 times 7. 3 times 7. Not 2 times. 21 plus the 1. 3 times 8. 24 plus the 2 that we carry over. Don't forget we carry 2 over, not 1. 3 times 7, 21. So carry 2 over. Excellent. So it's 2,600. Excellent, because 3 times 8, 24, plus the 2, 26. So 874 times 3 equals
2,622.
Excellent. High five, Prel. Round of applause for Prel. Who's next? Pak Boom. Come and join me. Okay. So here's your pen and let me hold that for you. What's our problem, guys?
435 times 4. 435
Times 4. Excellent. So step 1, what do we need to do?
4 times 5 equals 20.
So we write 0, carry over.
2.
Step 2, 4 times 3.
Equals
12 plus the 2 we carry over, 14. 4 times 4,
equals 16. Plus 1 equals 17.
excellent, Pak Boom. So 435 times 4 equals,
1740.
is that right?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you really sure? High five. Round of applause for Pak Boom. Let's do one more. Who would like to go? Pat. Okay. Let's see. Are you ready? So let's see. You can show, whoa, 555 times 2. Okay, so first of all, Pat, can you write your problem? 555 times 2. And then we can see. So what do we write in the column? 0, carry over.
1.
So
1 equals 11.
don't forget, Pat, the 1 you carry over, it's 10, but we carry 1 over, so we put into this column 1. 1. 1 here. Yes. Okay, and we carry over another 1. 2 times 5 equals 10, plus the 1, so we can write 1, comma, 1. 1, the 1 we carry over. Don't forget the 1 we carry over. Excellent. So now we have our answer. We can say 555 times 2 equals 1110. Is that correct? Are you sure? Really sure?
Yes.
High five. Round of applause for Pat. A round of applause for everybody doing such a great job. Well done. And now it's time for our worksheet activity. So teachers, what you need to do is print off a worksheet for each of your students. And your students must work through each of the problems and show their table and working out for each of the problems in the right-hand column. And this time, what will we be using, guys? Regrouping. We'll have to carry over. So what's the first thing we must do? Write our names on top. And give our students around 15 minutes for this activity because there are 8 different problems. And any questions, anything they need, you're there to help. Down?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Ned.
Thank you.
Prel. Bang
Thank
upon.
you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Let go.
Thank
Chew.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So the first problem, what's the amount we have to multiply? 536 times by how many? 4. Okay. So what's step 1 we need to do? 4 times 6.
24.
24. So we'll write 4 in the ones column and we'll carry over how many? 2. Step number 2. 4 times 3. 12. 12 plus the 2 we carry over 14. Carry over how many? 1. 4 times 5. 20 plus 1. So 2,144. There you go. There's our answer to problem 1 using the table and regrouping. Okay guys, so make sure your answers show this formula. Anything you're not sure of, let me know. I will help you with the others. Chew? Okay? So you need to write your name on top. Excellent. Okay, so first step 1 net, 5 times 5. What do we think? 5 times 5?
10.
2 times 5 is 10. 5 times 5, 25.
25.
So write 5 in the ones, carry over
2.
2. Perfect. Now, step 2, 5 times 3. 15.
50.
But plus, what do we carry over? 2.
2.
So 17. So 7. And then carry over 1. Here we carry over 1. 5 times 7. 35.
35.
Plus the 1. 35 plus 1.
Yeah.
36.
36.
Yes. So 3,
2.
comma for 1,000, 6. So your answer, 3,675. Excellent. Welcome back to class, and we hope your students enjoyed the worksheet activity where they had to work through the various problems and work them out using regrouping. And our students all did a great job. So well done, guys. So what did we learn about today just before we finish? We learned how to multiplication of 3-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers using regrouping. And everybody did a good job, so well done. And that's the end of today's lesson. So we hope you found it interesting, had fun too, and we'll see you again soon for the next one. So can we all turn to wave and say goodbye? Goodbye. Bye-bye.